Hello, and thank you for joining me on today's quest here at Sam's Town Hotel and Casino in Tunica, Mississippi. Normally I film as soon as I come into the room when I arrive. However, I arrived very late at about 5 a.m. last night. So today's video will show a slept in and lived in room for a day. The information will be accurate all the same. Let's step into the restroom here. Pretty standard restroom. It does include a coffee maker with some complimentary coffees for your use. The person I am staying with did express some concern with the location of the coffee maker being in the restroom, with the certain particles that may be in the air being here with your appliances that are geared towards consumption. Besides for that, it is a pretty basic restroom, regular shower tub combination with some accessibility handles. Does have to be noted though, there were maybe some housekeeping concerns you may have. Now, I've stayed at some hotels that maybe weren't the most attentive before. However, my travel partner for this trip, was a little bit concerned by, this was not ours, so we did not use it. This is a dirty, kind of hard, crusty hand towel that was hanging up on the back here. Wasn't ours, but it was there, and it was not clean. And then our towels back here, once again, had some type of brown substance wiped onto them. I don't know who or what wiped what with that towel. It was used to wipe something on somebody at some point, and it was not either of us. There also were some random bits of trash on the floor. And they did leave an extra roll of toilet paper to change on, but the roll that was on there only had a few squares left. Not really an issue. Now let's move on into the room itself. Coming in, we do initially have our closet here, which only provides hangers. No ironing board. No room safe, unfortunately. The price to stay here at the Sam's Town Hotel in Tunica was around $120 a night after resort fee. And it is a pretty standard room. We did get the 2 queen beds. The beds were clean. I found them to be relatively comfortable. She did not find her bed comfortable and claimed she found it to be more of a twin size bed than a queen size bed. Maybe something to be aware of if you plan on booking the 2 queens room. As far as decorative function, we are provided 2 pieces of artwork. And normally I wait until the end to open up the windows to not reveal any of the view, which is what a lot of people care about in these casino hotel reviews. But it is pretty dark in here, so to help everybody out there see, I'm gonna go ahead and open up the windows now. I will say before we open these curtains that they did do a pretty good job of blocking the light out while sleeping. Of course, some light did get in. They're not total blackout curtains as they look like they would be, but they did provide pretty adequate function, and I am a sensitive sleeper when it comes to light and sound personally. We are provided 1 seating desk area with 1 mirror, television.
Adventure Days, get 2.9% financing for 2.
So, I know there are no coins.
Matchup featuring Ole Miss and Alabama. Plus.
Only 2 channels, and they are all extremely blurry, mostly unwatchable to the majority of people. With some drawers beneath for storage. There is nothing in these. These are purely for storage. Once again, there's no safe in this room, which is very disappointing for any casino attached hotel. As far as interior room lighting, we are provided one lamp over there and one over there. They do not do much to adequately light the room though. We are provided a very generous, for a hotel, mini fridge though. Haven't actually opened it yet. It's not that cold, but it is cool enough to chill down a bottle of water overnight. And then we have one seating area here next to the window, 2 chairs and a small table. One compliment that I will give is that the air conditioner did keep the room sufficiently cool throughout the night. In the recent last year or two, I've been having significant amount of issues with when I stay at hotels. So much that I now bring a box fan with me everywhere I go. All right, let's go have a view out the window real quick. And keep in mind, Tunica, Mississippi is a lot of large fields and land barren of structures outside of the casinos for the most part. Not that that is necessarily a bad thing, but when driving into Tunica, you'll be driving through a lot of large empty areas all around you. You can see we are situated here across from the Hollywood Casino right there. And you can see the buildings here that are in the front of the casino facing the street are a bit worn down looking, and as we'll go look at here in a minute after we leave the room, there's a lot of construction going on. Front of the building is having some structural issues, and as you walk into the lobby, all of the areas that connect to that front of the building are blocked off with signs asking you to pardon their dust as they are doing construction there. With that being said, I am a sleeper who is relatively sensitive to sound, and I did not hear any construction noises that bothered me while I was sleeping, unlike my last day at the Horseshoe Tunica down the road, where their demolition of the former Tunica Roadhouse was extremely disrupting to my sleep. You can see some of the construction going on there, as well as the RV park there in the back, located right off of the regular customer parking. While I've never stayed here in a recreational vehicle, they do get very good reviews and seem to be very well liked for their RV amenities. And that's it for the inside here at Sam's Town in Tunica, Mississippi. Let's go have a look outside.